Hey guys, this is Poetspice, Jamin Lola Tallulah, and I am here to do the February Stuff It Boxes, Purses, and Bags collab for 2020. So in this collab, we are doing boxes and bags and purses and cartons and whatever that you can stuff crap into to give to other people, or make storage out of it or whatever. So I was going to do a totally different set of projects last month, and then I totally got sucked into doing these, so it's two hearts and so forth, which is okay because it's February and there you go. So I'm going to show you the two die sets that I used. Now I did use some periphery dies in order to do some additional decorating, but these are the base dies. So this die set right here, let me see if I can turn it over so you can see better. This die set right here is one of the designer choice die sets from Tonic. And it makes a triangle box, a square box, and a 5-sided box. It gives you everything you need to make the sides and the decorations. So I used that set. And then I also used kit 28 from Tonic, which was sent with love. And I showed you that last time because it is a mini heart box. So these are the dies that go with that. And I was just so like, oh my gosh, once I started making it. I just couldn't stop making them. I also did a tutorial for this video, and I'm going to link that in the description box below because I'm going to upload both of these today. So I'm going to go ahead and show you these and how they turned out. So I'll go with the heart boxes because I absolutely couldn't stop making them. So it's a single box die. And so I made 4 more of the single ones. And I was just playing with some engraver paper. I think that's what it was. No, archivist paper from Prima. And so I was looking at these, and these make cute masculine or steampunk hearts. So you just open it. And then I did some little inking around the edges, so you didn't see so much of that plain cut edge. And they're just adorable. And then I used this one and did the same. Then I took 2 of these. This one I just used the paper as the design because it's so pretty. I love that. And then of course it's double-sided, so the inside, hopefully you can see that, has its little print. And then I wanted to use the little decorative design, so I put it on the lid and on the bottom, and then you can open it. And what would be really cute too is you could turn these into an accordion memory book, which would be really cute too, because you can use this piece to make the little pages. So I might do that just for fun, and then you would store it in your little box. So I made 4 of those. Then I made double boxes, and this is what I did the tutorial on, is the double box. So first off, as you can see, it's twice the height. Yay! And this is some authentic paper that I had, so I went ahead and cut that up. And I was so excited because I did not think this would work. So let me tell you, an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, you can actually cut the die across the 8.5 width, and it will cut. So you can actually get 2 or 3 boxes cut from one 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So then you can see this. I used that and then put the layer back behind it. And then there's double the height, and you take it off, and inside, can you see the inside? Now I also did a little tag. This is one of the dies that are, actually it's 2 of the dies that are in the set. And I just thought that was so cute. And I didn't know how I was going to attach it, so I just went ahead and stuck it in there to keep it there. And then you just put that back on, and it's awesome. So then I made one of these. This time I did stick the tag on top of the lid, and you can see that paper. I just did a not too shabby project, actually 3 projects with this paper because I had some little pieces left over. So this is what that paper looks like, and see, you can see where you put the 2 boxes together. But because of the way this paper is done, it doesn't really look too bad without the ribbon. And so this, I just put a piece of paper around it. Then on the inside, you just have that. How cool is that? So I absolutely love that. Now the Tonic die also has, for every facet, there is a die, but I didn't want to go into all that, but you could. Okay, so then I made the 5-sided die boxes. Let's start with this one. It is so cute. So I used some other flowers from, I don't even remember what die set, you know. It was Crafter's Companion, I believe, because that's where these little pieces are. So at the top, I put just flowers that I made. You can see the decoration on the lid. And then you could see these little flaps that stick up. If you'll notice, they've got embossed hearts on them, which is cute. And that's how the lid stays on. So you would just pull that off. And then look at all the little sides. It looked like a house, a 5-sided house. So I put these little flowers on and everything. And you've got the little panels done. And I just loved it. And I made it out of craft. So cute. Oh my gosh. So then I had to take it to the next level because y'all know that's what I gotta do. So check it out. I made it into a little house. So I used Crafter's Companion dies for this to make the little door and the little windows and so forth. So there's another one of their windows with a little frame and a little whatever. And then I want to say this is Prima paper on the bottom, and they had this beautiful pattern with this wood grain and the flower, so I just used that to make it look like the wood on the house, and then like they had a little flower garden or something on the back. Loved it. Then their little lids, and then once again I had to put the little flowers. Now they don't have flowers on the top, it's just a flat top, but I just liked the way that looked. So it's adorable. Oh my gosh. Yes, so I'm thinking of doing a giveaway where I just cut out the pieces for one of these like little boxes and send that out. So that's so cute. And then this is how the lid goes, and I'm going to show you. You can just take the lid off, and there's your inside, and this is what the inside of the lid looks like. And you could put another little piece over that and cover it up, but nobody's going to look at that. So there's that. You could also, since this is a flat bottom, you could, not with the flowers on it, but you could make it so that it was sort of like a little dish or something like that you could put in there. You could also make it like this and then have it kind of lift up on you. But that is so cute, and I had to just play with that because it was adorable, and I loved it. I just absolutely loved it. And then you could put that on. It would make cute favor boxes, all kinds of stuff. A wedding little thing or something. Just adorableness, and then you just slide it back on. Cute. So those are my boxes. Thanks for watching. Go check out the other ladies in the collab. We will be back next month with a new one. Also, like I said in the description box below, you'll see the link to the tutorial to make the double box for the heart. And I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you have some suggestions or something that you want to see, leave that in the description box as well. Thank you.